fabulous singers! My name is Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. And this is Sven and Olaf, my studio Valentines. Valentine's Day is this week, so I thought we could do a themed love warm-up. Why not put a little love and kindness out into the world while we warm up and train our voices today? Come into an aligned position and breathe in, exhaling gently. Open up your chest, maybe rotating the arms and shoulders in a way that promotes an open, relaxed posture. We'll start our vocal warm-ups today on the word sweet, on a limited range exercise that sounds like this. Sweet, 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 sweet. Just using the tip of the tongue now, make sure to really relax the jaw. We're going to sing on lovely, lovely, love. Here's the pattern. Lovely, lovely, love. 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 Also, if you want to spend a little bit of time learning to love your own voice, check out this video here. Now let's move to an exercise that jumps up a fifth and gently cascades down as we celebrate friendship with the words, the heart of a friend. Keep these vowels open so we don't end up parking on the R. We will sing, the heart of a friend, 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 the heart of a friend. In case you haven't heard, my mobile app for singers, Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, is available on all mobile platforms. There are now dozens of warmups to choose from on the go, and it is so convenient to use. More information is available in the links down below. I hope you'll check it out. We're going to move into a little bit more flexibility now as we sing the words, I'll be there for you, like, I'll be there for you, 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 I'll be there for you. We're going to move on now to a major triad arpeggio on the words I love, love, Aim for a gentle connected sound as we sing, I love love, 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 I love love. Check it again with alignment, and if it feels good to you, open your arms wide. Take a couple of deep breaths in, and now roll forward, maybe giving yourself a hug. Breathe in again and release into a relaxed and aligned posture. We're going to descend now on the sounds me and you. Allow that M to bring things forward, like me and you, 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 me and you. Let's work now on some big intervals. We can use the lyric, their hearts were full of spring. On this pattern, their hearts were full of spring. Feel your way into supporting these big intervals with breath and energy. Here we go. Their hearts were full of spring. 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 Finally, let's finish up with one of my favorite arpeggios. Oh, how I love to sing. This allows us to keep an open sound all the way through the top of our range. Try to avoid judgment as we get to the extremes of your range. We'll start a little bit low and sing, oh, how I love to sing. 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 Thank you as always for singing with me. When you like and subscribe and comment and share with a friend, it really does help my channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I publish videos. I have some great things planned for this year. Also, I do hope you'll check out my app. Keep singing, and I'll see you next time. And these are my studio loves, Sven and Olaf.